Okay, so today we will talk about rectifier. So in power electronics, rectifier are commonly used in AC/DC conversion. So if you have a AC voltage which alternates from positive to negative, and then you want it to rectify in order to have a zero to positive voltage or a rectified voltage, so you are gonna need a rectifier. It's commonly used in PFC converter. So the first part of the PFC is rectifier. It is also used in transformer. So transformer type or isolated converters such as flyback and resonant converters like LRC. So they're using half bridge or full bridge rectification at the output side after the transformer. Okay, so there are common bridge or rectifier used in power electronics, a full bridge and a half bridge. So depends on the application. A full bridge has more components compared to half bridge. So depends on the application. If low power, it's okay to use half bridge. If you need more power, then you have to use the full bridge. So let's proceed with the full bridge. What is the full bridge? So the circuit of the full bridge is like this one. Let me give some space. So I always draw it like this one because it's much easier to understand and see. Okay, you have a load R plus minus BR D1 D2 D4 D3, and if you have a AC voltage, so this is the connection. Okay, so positive cycle, this one, the current goes this way, going to the load, go back in D2 and go that way. So this is the arrow, and then for negative cycle, from this, go to D4, go to the load, then go back to D3. Okay. So in summary, so positive cycle, D1, D2 is forward bias, D3, D4 reverse bias. At negative cycle, D3, D4 forward bias, D1, D2 reverse bias. So in the waveform, how it will be look like, this is the VR, the voltage across the resistor, this is your input. So if you have a full AC cycle, this is pi, this is 2 pi. Then rectified voltage should be like that. Okay. Okay, so how about the half bridge?